Okay, this is the new linkr LT1. Lets you program the picture of your vehicle. It has a database that you can select whatever vehicle is your make and model and year, and it even picks out the color and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock. This will lock the truck and turn on the alarm and lock all the doors. Okay. All right. To unlock, it tells you all doors are locked. To unlock it, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks all the doors. Tells you the time, the run time when you remote start it. You're gonna hear the pump click. Okay. They turned on the ignition already. It turned on the ignition, and what it does is the truck will start in a second. Okay. Since it's diesel, I gave it a the diesel delay. Okay. Truck is already running. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the truck. That turns off the truck. Okay. GPS location. It will give you the map where the truck is at. Okay. And then of course it has alarm alert. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock the truck. And by the way, it comes with a remote control, so arm, disarm, remote start. The same thing we did on the phone. You'll have the key fob that you can do it from the remote. Otherwise, you can do it from the phone virtually anywhere in the world. I'm gonna go ahead and hit pound on the window. Alarm will fire off. The alert came in, comes in a couple times, let you know that the alarm has been triggered. Okay, so yeah, anywhere in the world somebody tampers with the vehicle, it will let you know. By the way, it comes with two fobs, two remote controls, remote start, and if anybody opens any of the doors, you'll get the alert anywhere in the world. You can remote start it anywhere that you're inside the United States. The truck, if it's inside the country and you happen to be out of the country, you can remote start it from anywhere in the world, but the truck has to be in the USA. So this is basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and on the system. This is on a 2012 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This is the new linkr LT1. Thank you for watching this video.